Xiaomi is introducing Redmi Note 17. And now we are unboxing our green model. This looks beautiful and pretty handy. There will be dual camera system. Battery will be massive one and that will be at 1000 mAh with 45 watt fast charging. It will run on Android 16 operating system. There is an AMOLED touchscreen display. It has 7 inches screen size and a 120Hz refresh rate. And for best graphics, there will be GPU of Adreno. RAM will be at 12 GB. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with addition of an octa-core CPU. And storage will be 256 and 512 GB. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.